a rehab property that I just picked up out here in Mesquite, Texas. Love this property. Picked it up for $155,000. Gonna put 35,000 worth of work into it. ARV 240. Check out the neighborhood. Real nice, real nice. So that had a lot to do with the purchase price. So as we go on in, so I had a lot of foundation work that I had to do on this property. So I want you to check that out. This gray spot where they dug up holes to raise the level of the house. And on this side right here as well. Kind of like this green, kind of looks like two doors, but it's only one. Got my helper. She's not really helping though. London, let's go. So as you walk on in, immediately you see this this fireplace right here, which I think all of this is gonna be nice. Like I really feel like we should do something bold that stands out right here. As you turn to the left, you have the kitchen. Show you the kitchen area. All the cabinets and drawers and stuff right here. Pull it all out. Have like a little dining room area right here. This floor is in very good shape. Let's take a look at it. This kitchen is kind of outdated with these appliances. This vent hood, this electric, this is okay. But we're gonna upgrade it. We're gonna make it nice. Garage area. Here's the pantry. Here's a washer and dryer. Right here. Connections. Right there. A little pantry area for the food. Come on, London. My little baby loves these homes because she can mess up stuff and not get in trouble for it. Again, this living room area is really nice. We got to do something real funky with that. Like the French doors over there. As we walk down this hallway, look straight ahead. We got the linen. London. Hold on, let me back up. Get my baby. Come on, please. She's dusting the house. Okay, good job. Let's go. All right, so like I was saying, as you walk forward, you have this little linen area right here. To my right is the first bedroom. It's a nice size. You'll notice right here in the door jambs, all these cracks right here, stress marks from the foundation. It was way off. So this whole area, we'll change that whole door jamb. No worries. See some grooves up there up top. But overall, it's cool. The bathroom, as you walk in here, tile is real good. The cabinets. Actually, these countertops are still in pretty good shape. Oh, my phone going crazy. But we're gonna upgrade it. We're gonna change out the mirror, upgrade this right here. This is nice. This towel is nice. Keep it, spray it, change some stuff, clean it up. Come over here to bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 2 right here. We had to go under the wood and the floor to raise it up, but the foundation, stretch marks, all the floorboard, all that coming apart. But it's all good. Here's the clean. Here's the master. Stretch marks all right there. All right there. I think this tape was doing the same thing. All right there. I'm not for sure what this is up here, but as you see, there'll be more stress marks in the ceiling. And let's look at the master bathroom. Come here, London. And let's go outside. Let's walk around the house real quick. Okay, go ahead, open it, please. I got it. Watch yourself. Come on, let's walk around this side to the house. Go to the right, to the right, to the right. Nah, London. This way. London, this way. Oh, wow, I got like a little garden on the side of the house. Leave it. This girl's on everything. Come here.